Good afternoon, everybody. So today we're going to check Friday's activity. That was the last activity from the comparative adjectives and the superlative adjectives. So the first adjective that we had was an irregular adjective that was bad. The comparative is worse, and the superlative is the worst. Then we have regular, which is a long adjective, and we have more regular and the more regular. Exciting, it's another long adjective. Then we have more exciting, and the superlative is the most exciting. Then we have a two-syllable adjective ending with Y, so we have to replace Y for I-E-R, happier, then the happiest. Then we have wonderful, which is a long adjective, more wonderful, the most wonderful. Then we have clever. This adjective seems to be like a two-syllable adjective, but actually it's just one syllable. If you pronounce it, it will be like clever, just one syllable. Clever, it's like nice. So that's why we're going to add just the ending ER, and for the superlative we're going to add EST at the end of the adjective. Then we're going to have friendly, and it looks like a long adjective, but if you pronounce it, you have just two syllables, which is friend and then ly, and it ends in Y. That means that we're going to replace Y for E, so it will be friendlier, and the superlative will be the friendliest. Beautiful is another long adjective, and it will be more beautiful, and the superlative is the most beautiful. Clear, it's a short one, we don't have problems over there, it will be clearer, the clearest, fewer, the fewest. Empty, we have two syllable adjective ending in Y, so it will be emptier, the emptiest, it will be the superlative. Then we have good, which is an irregular adjective, and it will be the comparative better and the superlative the best. Famous, more famous, the most famous, little, less, the least. Strong, stronger, the strongest. Just one syllable, guys. Boring, we have two syllables, but we don't have one Y at the ending. That's why we have a long adjective, so it could be more boring, the most boring. Then we have cool, cooler, the coolest. Easy, two adjectives ending with Y, so we have to replace Y for E, for IER, it will be easier. Then for the superlative, we have the easiest. Hot, hotter with double T, because when we have consonant, vowel, consonant, we're going to double the last consonant, and we're going to add ER at the end. Then we have the same rule for the superlative, and it will be the hottest. Dark, it's a short adjective, and it will be darker. Then we have the superlative, the darkest. Expensive, which is just a long adjective, more expensive, the most expensive. Then we're going to continue to the next web page, and for the first one we have Joe is shorter than Ed. We know that we have to have as an adjective short. Sorry, we're going to have a comparative adjective because we have two subjects. Two people or two things that we are comparing. In this case, we're comparing Joe and Ed. Then we have Al. Al is the shortest. Ed is the tiniest. Over here, remember that when we have a short adjective ending in consonant, vowel, consonant, we have to double the last consonant. Okay? Then we have Joe, comparing to Al, it could be Joe is thinner than Al. Al has the most colorful clothes. Al is heavier than Joe. Eddie is the lightest. Joe is happier than Ed. Ed is the most mysterious. Joe is more energetic than Ed. Okay? Finally, we're going to have our vocabulary section. We have a shirt, that means camisa, so it will be this with this. Then we have t-shirt, que es playera, scarf, que es bufanda o pashmina, socks, que son los calcetines, trousers, que es otra forma de decir pants, o sea, pantalones, blouse, quiere decir blusa, que son las de las mujeres, gloves, los guantes, cardigan, es un tipo de suéter pero que es abierto de acá enfrente, vest, que uno ve que es chaleco, and pullover es como una hoodie. Una hoodie es es como un suéter, un pullover, es una forma de decir suéter, pero es un poquito más deportivo, pero cuando tiene capucha le decimos hoodie y cuando no tiene capucha le decimos pullover. Okay? So, what you have to do today, guys, is that we're going to open our books on page 126. So, over page 126, what you have to do is to go and play audio 16, and over here you're going to listen to the description of three lifestyles, which is from Ben, Maggie, and Anita, and you have to answer these questions talking about their lifestyle. Then you have to give some pieces of advice to Ben, Maggie, and Anita, and how can you improve their lifestyles. Then we're going to play audio 17, and you have to listen to the different pronunciation between should and shouldn't, which if you notice is just a little bit different. Shouldn't, should, and finally you have to play audio 18, where you have to listen to the conversation and choose if you listen to the affirmative form of should or the negative form of shouldn't. Then you're going to go to the communication section and you're going to complete this chart using the information that you complete yesterday in the photo. So I hope you have a great night and see you tomorrow. Bye.